initial setup of the Nexus Standard MP. This is the first procedure which is performed before making any adjustments. Turn on the Nexus Standard MP from the volume control, and set the volume to your desired level. Set the threshold to a minimum audible level. Set the discrimination level to 0. Set the ground balance level to 7.5. Turn the mineral control switch to standard. The fine and coarse mineral controls to 0. Turn the sensitivity to 0. Turn the dual tone off. Turn the mode toggle switch under the control box to the right to enable true all metal mode. The initial setup of the Nexus Standard MP is now complete, and the detector is ready for adjustments for the current search conditions.